Hi, my name is Brad Gollin. I'm the CEO for Gomentr. We're a SaaS application company with a vision to make a difference for an entire generation. Millennials are the largest generation in history, which is working in the most competitive global business environment in history. And we will help them launch their careers by giving them all access to mentors through their colleges and universities. The best place to start helping millennials is when they are students, and their goal at school is to finish and start into their careers. Throughout their education, they've been told that mentors can be the key to fast-tracking their success, and that's what they want. And the research we've seen from all the U.S. schools we've interviewed indicates the largest opportunity for engagement with alumni is networking and mentoring directly with students. So we have students wanting it, alumni wanting to provide it, but the success so far in delivering on this opportunity is dismal. Stanford is the largest program we found with 5,000 alumni in their mentor database, 500 active pairings at any one time, and that represents less than 1% of their potential market for mentoring. This is being supported by 5 full-time people and software they wrote themselves, and yet 99% of their students are doing without any sort of mentoring help. Gomentr's 99% solution is a win for everyone. For the school, who pays the license, it's about generating more funding by getting a lot more engagement. For the student, it's free, and they get help launching their careers by building a business mentor network. For alumni, it's free as well, and it's about loyalty and legacy. It's giving back to the school with their time as opposed to being asked for a check, and being able to have a legacy of making a difference for the next generation. For employers, it's about building their brand and image, being high profile with the school, and having first shot at the best and brightest talent, which they can test out en masse in ways they've never had before. Gomentr has taken a truly innovative approach to this problem. All of its traditional software and solutions are based on serving the alumni and are role-based. So think of it as Match.com. What we've built is really targeted at the millennial customer who socialize and build relationships, or at least start relationships differently. So think of it as a Facebook approach. Nobody has a role or title. Basically, we're all peers, equals in a community. And the way we're going to build relationships is by sharing experiences, solving problems together. And simply solving problems together is how we are going to learn, help each other, and start and build those relationships. So what we've done is we've created a social network, and what's key to social networks functioning effectively, again, that we don't see in other competitor offerings, is a content system. So we've created a content engine that allows everyone to create their own content in the form of requests and resources. So think of it as the opportunity to ask for anything or to be able to share anything that is of value to others. So experientially, what this allows us to do is alumni or employers can actually invite students into, think of it as micro-internships. So they can post requests saying, I'm looking for a student to do some research, write something, prepare something, plan something for me. So they can actually get them involved in doing real, practical, real-world tasks and projects that they can truly learn valuable lessons from. So for me as an alumni, I get useful stuff done. I get help doing things. For the student, they get experience, invaluable experience. And then what can happen as we go through the relationship is they can then package up what they've learned and accomplished, and they can start to create the other type of content, which is resources, and they can show and demonstrate exactly what they've learned and accomplished. First question they get on interviews is, what experience do you have? And now they can show and demonstrate it. Not only that, they can use it to promote, because this content can be posted to LinkedIn and other social networks. So they're actually building a content portfolio for marketing themselves. And they can get many, many different experiences because they can build an entire mentor network. Unlike traditional approaches that match one-to-one, this allows you to build an entire network of business contacts, mentors, and mentoring in our situation really is an experience. It's not a role. It's the interaction, the action of helping each other. That's what mentoring is in our system. And the system tracks all of that, quantifies it. So there's a point system which really kind of gamifies the interactions. So for students, for anybody in the system, in their profile, you can see how networked they are, how much learning they've done, how much mentoring they've done, how much they've contributed to the community. And the school can actually use that to recognize and reward both alumni and employers who are really making a difference for the school. So I want to thank you. I'd like to invite you to be a part of our great vision to help every millennial, because every millennial deserves mentors, wants them and needs them to help launch their careers. And you can be a part of making a difference for the next generation. Thank you.